What kinds of assets that generate income are available for one to invest in? One might choose to invest their money in a variety of different assets that produce income. It is essential as we move forward into the year 2023 to have a look at the assets that are anticipated to do well in the future year. Since there's so many different opportunities for investments to choose from, it can be difficult to zero in on those that have the most promise. In this video, we will investigate 23 assets that have a good possibility of doing even better in 2023. 1. Savings account with a high rate of return, UFB Direct. When compared to the interest rate you would receive in a conventional savings account, the rate of return offered by high-yield savings accounts is significantly higher. When interest rates begin to rise in the year 2023, high-yield savings accounts will become an even more appealing option. 2. Dividend stocks and stock funds. Investing in stocks that pay dividends is a fantastic method to ensure a steady flow of earnings throughout the year. It is likely that dividend stocks and stock funds will do well as long as the stock market continues its upward trend. 3. Bonds and bond index funds. Bonds offer investors a wonderful opportunity to generate stable returns without exposing themselves to an excessive amount of risk. Bond and bond index funds are projected to become more attractive investments as a result of rising interest rates in 2023. 4. Deposits in the form of certificates or CIT Bank. You can earn a greater interest rate with a low level of risk by investing in certificates of deposit, also known as CDs. This is in comparison to the interest rate you would receive with a conventional savings account. In 2023, higher interest rates will make certificates of deposit or CDs an even more appealing investment option. 5. Participation in money markets, CIT Bank. Money market accounts are a low-risk approach to earning a greater interest rate than you would be able to earn with a typical savings account. These accounts are also known as money market mutual funds. When interest rates start to rise in 2023, money market accounts will become an even more appealing investment option. 6. Real estate crowdfunding. Crowdfunding in real estate is an excellent option to invest in real estate without having to buy a property yourself personally. It is likely that real estate crowdfunding will be successful as long as the real estate market continues to improve. 7. Invest in small companies, Mainvest. Putting money into locally owned and operated companies that can provide you with a return on your investment is a fantastic way to give back to the community. It is anticipated that small firms would do well in 2023 as the economic recovery process moves on. 8. Varieties of alternative investments, YieldStreet. Diversifying your holdings across a variety of asset classes, such as those offered by alternative investments like art, wine, and antiques, is an excellent approach to increasing the possible return on your portfolio. It is likely that YieldStreet will do well as the level of interest in alternative investments continues to increase. 9. Cryptocurrencies. Despite the volatility of the cryptocurrency market, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are gaining more acceptability as genuine investment options. This is despite the fact that the market for cryptocurrencies has been extremely volatile. In point of fact, the number of industry analysts believe that cryptocurrency adoption will explode during the next several years. 10. Non-fungible tokens. Also known as NFTs, are digital assets that reflect ownership of one-of-a-kind goods like works of art, musical compositions, or even tweets. NFTs have seen a meteoric rise in popularity over the past few years, with some NFTs fetching prices in the millions of dollars. 11. Gold. Gold has a long history of being a safe haven asset, and it'll likely to be a popular investment option in the year 2023. Investors frequently look to gold as a hedge against inflation and market instability during times of economic uncertainty. Gold is a precious metal. 12. Investing in real estate. Another common and successful type of investment that has endured the test of time. The epidemic created some interruptions in the real estate market. Nevertheless, the business is on the mend in 2023, and many investors perceive lucrative chances in the industry. 13. Farmland. Farmland is a one-of-a-kind asset class that has seen an uptick in demand over the past several years. An investment in farmland may result in long-term appreciation as well as a consistent source of income, which may come in the form of rental payments or proceeds from the sale of crops. 14. Works of art. Works of art have consistently been and will continue to be a popular asset type in the year 2023. In point of fact, there are art collectors who would be willing to spend tens of millions of dollars on a solitary painting. Adding artwork to your portfolio is a terrific way to diversify your holdings while also having the potential to earn big rewards. 15. Wine. Wine is another alternative investment that has gained appeal in recent years. Fine wine can be used as a form of inflation protection and can also possibly yield considerable returns over the course of a protracted investment period. 16. Collectible automobiles are yet another form of alternative investment that has gained appeal in recent years. Historic cars can gain value over time, especially if they are well-maintained and have a distinctive history. 17. Timberland. Timberland is a distinct asset class that has the potential to generate a consistent stream of income through the sale of timber, in addition to having the potential to appreciate over the long run. 18. Energy. An investment in energy can be an excellent approach to creating consistent income through dividends and the possibility of generating capital gains over the course of a long period of time. In the year 2023, renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power are getting increasing recognition and could be appealing investment alternatives. 19. Venture capital investing. Providing early-stage companies that have a strong potential for growth with funding in exchange for equity is what venture capital investing entails. This form of investment carries a high level of risk but also has the potential to provide significant profits. It is anticipated that the startup ecosystem will continue to thrive in 2023, resulting in the formation of new and creative businesses across a variety of industries. Venture capitalists will be on the lookout for these startups and will be looking to make investments in those that have the potential to produce considerable value and disrupt existing sectors. As a result of the rapid development of technology, particularly in fields such as artificial intelligence and blockchain, venture capitalists will have a heightened interest in emerging businesses that produce new products and services by utilizing those technologies. 20. Hedge funds. Alternative investment vehicles such as hedge funds are often only accessible to accredited investors, institutions, and individuals with high net worth. These funds make use of a wide range of investment strategies in order to provide their investors with high rates of return. Hedge funds have been the subject of a significant amount of scrutiny and criticism in recent years due to their exorbitant fees and mediocre performance. On the other hand, due to the increasing volatility and uncertainty of the market in 2023, hedge funds are likely to make a comeback at that time. Hedge funds are able to provide portfolios with both diversification and risk management, and the experienced managers of hedge funds are able to successfully traverse the complicated and ever-changing financial landscape. 21. Clean energy stocks. Another asset that's anticipated to perform even better in 2023 is the shares of clean energy companies. Companies that are involved in the research, development, manufacturing, and distribution of clean energy sources are anticipated to see sustained growth as governments throughout the world continue to prioritize the shift to clean energy. As concerns about climate change and the requirement for sustainability continue to rise, there has been an increase in the demand for renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydropower. As a consequence of this, it is anticipated that clean energy stocks would experience significant investment and growth in the years to come. 22. Electric vehicles or EVs. The market of EVs is anticipated to expand at a high rate in the years to come as a direct result of the increasing demand for environmentally friendly modes of transportation. Because of this, there is a possibility that there will be greater demand for electric vehicles and charging infrastructure, which might make investments in these areas potentially lucrative. 23. Artificial intelligence or AI. AI is another technology that's expanding at a rapid rate and has the potential to transform a variety of different industries. As more organizations use AI solutions, there could be considerable potential for investors to benefit from this trend. And that's all for the video today. We'll be right back with more. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.